Hello and a very warm welcome viewers. You're watching In Depth with your host Kriti Mishra. In a landmark ruling, the Supreme Court upheld by a 3-2 majority the Constitution 103rd Amendment Act of 2019, introducing 10% reservation for the economically weaker sections among the unreserved categories in admissions and government jobs. So what is economically weaker section quota? Well, Article 15 of the Constitution prohibits discrimination against any citizen on the grounds of race, religion, caste, sex, or place of birth. However, the government may make special provisions for the advancement of socially and educationally backward classes or for scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. It is for economic reservation in jobs and admissions in educational institutes for economically weaker sections. It was enacted to promote the welfare of the poor not covered by the 50% reservation policy for scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, and socially and educationally backward classes. It enables both the centre and the states to provide reservations to the EWS category of the society. So what is the legislative history of this Act? Well, the Bill of Constitution 103rd Amendment Act of 2019 was introduced in the Lok Sabha on 8th of January 2019 as the Constitution 124th Amendment Bill 2019. It was introduced by Thawarchand Gehlot, the then Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment. The bill sought to amend Articles 15 and 16 of the Constitution. The bill was passed by the Lok Sabha on 9th of January 2019. The bill received overwhelming support from 326 members present, with 323 votes in favour and only 3 members voting against it. Prime Minister Modi called the passage of the bill a landmark moment in our nation's history. The bill was tabled in the Rajya Sabha the following day. The House rejected 5 amendments proposed by the members of the opposition. The bill, as passed by the Lok Sabha, was passed by the Rajya Sabha on 10th of January 2019 with 165 votes in favour and 7 against it. The bill received assent from then President Ramnath Kovind on 12th of January 2019. It was notified in the Gazette of India on the same day. The 103rd Amendment Act came into effect on 14th of January 2019. So what is the verdict of the Supreme Court? Well, of the 5-judge bench that delivered the verdict, Justice Dinesh Maheshwari, Justice Bela M. Trivedi and Justice J.B. Pardiwala ruled in favour of the quota, stating that the law on reservation for EWS does not violate the basic structure of the Constitution. The reservation is an instrument of affirmative action by the state for the inclusion of backward classes. Reservations for EWS does not violate basic structure on account of 50% ceiling limit fixed by the Mandal Commission because ceiling limit is not inflexible. So who can avail EWS quota benefits? Well, candidates' annual family income must be less than 8 lakhs per annum. The family must not own more than 5 acres of agricultural land. The residential flat area should be below 1,000 square feet. And what is the significance of this Act? Well, the 10% quota is progressive and could address the issues of educational and income inequality in India, since the economically weaker sections of citizens have remained excluded from attending higher educational institutes and public employment due to their financial incapacity. There are many people or classes other than backward classes who are living under hunger and poverty-stricken conditions. The reservation through a constitutional amendment would give constitutional recognition to the poor from the upper castes. Well, viewers, that's all I could pack for you in this edition. Thanks for watching and stay tuned to Sansad TV. Goodbye from my side for now.